My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in Birmingham, Alabama. And the topic that I'd like to discuss in this video is how do you turn a collection lawsuit, that is, a lawsuit filed against you by some debt collector, how do you turn that into a lawsuit against the debt collector? Well, the short answer is when the debt collector violates the law. And that actually is quite common when they sue you. I'll give you a couple of examples. You may be sued by a company such as Midland Funding, LVNV, Portfolio Recovery, Asset Acceptance, and it's a bogus lawsuit. You don't owe the debt, they don't own the debt, or it's a debt that we had one case where the statute of limitation expired 6 or 7 years before they sued our client. It's a debt from, I don't know, 13 years ago, I think. And so if the suit is bogus from the very beginning, then that's a violation. Second thing is there can be false credit reporting. So you may win your lawsuit and they still are credit reporting, the debt buyer is. Or you may have told the debt buyer, the debt collector, hey look, I dispute this debt, but they don't note that on your credit report, and that's a violation. The other main category is after the lawsuit. So you get sued, you file an answer, I deny this, you go to trial, and as is typical, the debt buyer normally shows up empty-handed, not one shred of evidence, not one witness, not a single piece of proof. And the judges look at them and say, well, Mr. Debt Buyer, if you have no proof, of course they're not talking to the debt buyer, they're talking to a lawyer because nobody from the debt buyer shows up normally. And they say, if you have no proof, you lose the case. And the lawyer goes, okay, judge. And so, that's done in almost a flippant way, very casual way. But it has very serious consequences. If you win your collection lawsuit, that means you do not owe that debt, at least in Alabama. So if you live in Alabama, you're sued in Alabama, you have a judge that he enters that order for you, you do not owe that debt to that debt collector. But sometimes these debt collectors, they don't want to give up. They're going to call you, they're going to write you, they're going to continue your credit report. We've even had them sue again. We had one case where the company sued our client not once, not twice, 3 times, lost every single time, kept suing, kept suing, kept suing. They'd sue in different counties so the judges wouldn't know that this was, we got the first lawsuit, second lawsuit, now the third lawsuit. And so if you have collection activity after you have won your case, then that normally gives you the right to sue that debt collector. If you live in Alabama and have questions, feel free to call us, 205-879-2447. You can contact us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. We also have a book that you may find useful, and it is about stopping abusive debt collectors. We also have a book on the secrets that debt buyers don't want you to know when they sue you. Both of those, there's some overlap there about when you have won your case, but the collector won't let it go, and the collector continues to collect against you. So if you're interested in those, we'll be glad to send those out to you for free. Just let us know, and we hope this has been helpful, and we look forward to speaking with you in the next video. Thank you very much.